Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 4th, 2022. I have already solved three puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars. And you think the 3 stars is easier than the 4 stars? Well, not. The 4 stars is easier than the 3 stars. Here I need more time to solve than this one. So you cannot always say 25 printed digits is more easier than a puzzle with 24 printed digits. Sudoku with 24 digits. Alright, and the third puzzle I've solved is the binary puzzle. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, with 4 stars. Let me see. This will be number 3930. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need to be faster. No. For 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more to solve the puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Single box is always a 1. Here we have a single box, there a single box, always a 1. We have dual boxes. I see here a dual box. Here also a dual box. There are dual boxes. There also a dual box of 3 dual boxes. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Let me scan. No quadra boxes. That means the following strategy, we need to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay, we have here the Z construction. Mirrored, yes. Or the S construction. Rotated. Well, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1082. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But this box has also the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. In this case, it's a 4. Or why? Do we have more Z constructions? Or figure? Or shape? No. Then the following shape, the T shape. Here we have a T shape. Let me draw this here. The T shape. Remember the T shape, if you see the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay. Remember that this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Okay. This shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of this kind of shape? Yeah. Here. Rotate it upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's A2. And this box is connected with that box. Also A2. Alright. More of this kind of shape? No. Yeah. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Following shape, the L shape. Let me put this here. The L shape. Alright. Here we have the L shape. Let me move the camera here. And you can see all the shapes. The L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. This box, same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Here, let me put this here. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. We have this kind of shape. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. A little bit longer. Okay. More of this kind of shape. Yeah, here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, I believe you have all the 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. The maximum, I believe. Maximum shape that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 in this figure. We have also there another 1, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for the numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and the 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround a 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Okay, 1 and a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. It cannot be, should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Cannot be a 4. We have a 4 there. And it cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 2 definitely here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and 5. Okay. Well. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it's not the solution to place the 3 there. The 3 should be here. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box cannot, these two boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. One box left in this area for number 4. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the 3 should be there. Okay. Let me see. I think. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. Alright. Now we have a 1 there. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. Also 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay, and these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Well, wait. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, cannot be 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5. Oh, it's connected. That box should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes. And there are 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape. 4 numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes. 2 stars. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. And I'm quicker than 30 minutes or more. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. With all the 6 shapes or figures, construction or structure that you need to recognize, then it's easy for filling the numbers. Yes. That's the technique. Or yeah, if somebody else have other techniques, let me know. Alright, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.